Sing, he paid the price and Jesus bore it all. I've heard them sing, I'm coming home, and hear the Master's call. I've heard them sing the modern songs and songs of long ago. But Amazing Grace is the sweetest song I know. Amazing Grace, how sweet, the sound. No sweeter song in this life could be found. I've heard of found where sinners plunged or washed as white as snow.
But Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound,
is the sweetest song I know.
It was a song my mother sang in a sweet and humble voice. Like music from the world above, it made my soul rejoice. Its soothing words and melodies like rippling waters flow. But Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound,
is the sweetest song I know.
Amazing Grace,
How sweet,
how sweet is the sound.
No sweeter song in this life could be found. I've heard of found where sinners plunged or washed as white as snow.
But Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound,
it's the sweetest song I know.
Amazing Grace,
how sweet
is the sound.
No sweeter song in this life could be found. I've heard of found where sinners plunged or washed as white as snow.
But Amazing Grace, how sweet the sound,
it's the sweetest song I know.